Okay, we need to talk about boots and gloves. Leathers are all very well, but you've also got to have good protection for your feet and your hands, because if you do fall off, they're going to get some stick as well. So, for this test, RST have kindly supplied us with some gear, and they've sent us these boots. This is the TrackTech Evo. It's a boot. There's not a lot else to say about it, other than it's 130 quid, so it's a very, very good value boot. Three main features for this boot, which is actually, for a 130 quid boot, pretty impressive. It's got ankle protection, so you can see it's got the system on the back here that allows the ankle to move backwards and forwards, but not side to side, which is well proven to help prevent, broken ankles basically. It's got perforation as well, which has been great on this nice wet, cold May test. But in all seriousness, perforation in your feet is actually great for comfort, especially if you're going to spend all day in the boot. It really does make a difference. And we've got removable toe sliders, which again, certainly for the track part of this test, are useful. Personally, I'm not a massive toe dragger, but if you are, you can take these off and replace them, no problem. That's boots. Now we need to talk about gloves. These are the RST Track Evo. Again, I'm new to these. These are 100 quid. They're a pretty sporty glove, packed full of features. Lots of adjustment on the cuff, carbon protection here, and there's some aramid in the palms that's obviously stitched under here. Good thing about these is that the palms are quite thin, and I think this is probably the part that's made out of kangaroo. So you get a really, really good feeling of the handlebars and the levers when you're pulling on the brake lever there. So great pair of gloves for 100 quid. No complaints whatsoever.